welcome to my channel. Myself Binod Kumar, and today we will discuss the important topic which is related to our day-to-day life, and it is e-governance. In today's session, we will discuss the definition of the e-governance, then further explore the objective of the e-governance, and also discuss the models and some of the major policies regarding the e-governance. So start with the definition. E-governance is the application of the ICT. ICT is a full form information and communication technology. So application of the ICT in government processes for delivering services, sharing information and enabling citizen participation. Now we will also learn the UN definition of the e-governance. Use of the ICT by the government agencies to transform relation with the citizen, businesses and other arms of the government. Now, objective of the e-governance, it provide transparency and accountability to by reduction of the corruption and audit trail. It also strengthen the efficiency by faster delivery services and reduce paperwork. It also empower citizen through the participatory governance and RTI portal and e-consultation. It also help in the cost reduction through the paperless offices and the digital signature. It build or strengthen or bridging the rural-urban divide by the common services center through inclusivity. These are the objective of the e-governance. Now we will learn the models. Before that, it aims to make governance faster, simpler and more citizen friendly through the digital platform and electronic media. Model of the e-governance. So first model of the e-governance is government to citizen. Government to citizen model, in which government services that enable citizen to access a wide variety of the public services which are like online electricity bills, ration card application, birth certificate and passport seva, and digital platform which help to the government to citizen relationships like e-seva, DigiLocker provide citizen with the easy access to the government services. Now, second model of the e-governance is government to businesses, G2B. It is the exchange of the services between the government and the businesses organization. It provides access to the relevant forms needed for the compliance, in which included GST portal and MCA 21 portal for the company registration and the government e-marketplace. These help government to businesses services. Now the third model of the e-governance, which is government to government, G2G, the interaction between the different governments, departments, organizations and agencies. Government agencies can share the same database using online communication. Example included the e-offices project and the crime and criminal tracking network and a system such as CCTNS enables seamless interaction at local and international levels. It helps the multinational bilateral interaction between the two governments. Now the fourth model of the e-governance is government to employee. It is the interaction between the government and its employee. It is online facility for employee like applying for leave, reviewing salary payment record and checking the balance of holidays, in which the Its example are HRMS system implemented by the Indian Railway and PERSH portal for the ex-army personnel pension. These are the two example of the government to employ, and it's provide human resources and training and development. Now we discuss the major government policy on the e-governance. So first one is National E-Governance Plan NEGP. Basically, it is the foundation for the Digital India. Digital India, which is further we will discuss. So first of all, we learn about the NEGP 2006. Its objective is to provide single window access to government services at all levels. Its key features are Mission Mode Project, MMPs, Passport Seva, and MCA 21, Corporate Affair, to registration of the company, and income tax and land record and e-districts and core infrastructure, which is state data center built under this project or plan NEGP 2006. State data center, statewide area networks, SWAN, SDC, and Common Services Center, most popular in India today. And its significance. It's the first structured national policy for the e-governance. We also learn it is laid the foundation for the digital India. Now the second policy, which is E-Kranti or NEGP 2.0 in 2015, which is the further enhancement of the first NEGP model or plan. And E-Kranti objective is to transform e-governance into citizen-centric governance. Its principle is transformation, not translation, by redesigning processes, not just digitize. It is provide the integrated service across a department. Also introduce the mobile first strategy. Its famous example is Umang app. It is a mobile platform for the multiple services, and e-Kranti is also the part of the Digital India program. Now we directly move to the Digital India program. What is Digital India? Digital India is the initiative taken by the government in 2015 and to transform the digital transaction or digital relation with the government to the citizens. Its objective are holistic program to transform India into a digitally empowered society and knowledge economy. It have three pillars such as infrastructure as a utility to every citizen, in which portal are BharatNet and Aadhaar portal, introduce and governance and the services on demand, in which Umang app, DigiLocker, and e-hospital introduce and digital empowerment of the citizen through the digital literacy and local language content have to be strengthened the pillars of the Digital India. Its flagship projects are BharatNet, DigiLocker, e-scholarship, and e-Kranti. And it have given the slogan, which is minimum government and maximum governance, which is important to remember. What is Digital India slogan? It is minimum government and maximum governance. Now we will also discuss some of the other policies regarding the e-governance. So fourth one, Open Government Data OGD policy in 2012. Its objective is make government data sets publicly available for transparency and innovation. Its platform data.gov.in host database on the health, education, and agriculture, and it's promote the research, innovation, and accountability. And India is among the few countries who is dedicated to the open government data platform, which is introduced in the 2012. Now, fifth policy regarding the e-governance is open source software policy introduced in 2015. Its objective is to encourage use of the open source solution in the government IT system, and it help to the cost reduction, avoid vendor lock-in, and promote innovation. Its example is adoption of the Linux-based system in the government offices. So these are the two major policies. One is initiated in the 2012 and another is 2015 open source software policy. Now we move further. The sixth one, it is open API policy. Its objective is to promote interoperability and integration of the services. Its features are developer can build apps using the government API. Its example is Aadhaar authentication API and UPI payment API. And API are the backbone of the India stack. So it is also important. And seventh policy is email policy, which is introduced in 2014. Its objective to ensure secure communication within the government, and it mandate the use of the official government email services hosted by the NIC, and its significance to strengthen the data sovereignty and protection. So these policies are also important in governance. Now we will discuss the important policy, which is cloud policy, also called as Megharaj, launched in the 2014. The cloud policy Megharaja 2014, launched by the MITI, established India Office official government cloud G Cloud to provide secure, scalable, and cost-efficient IT infrastructure. Its objective to include reducing duplication of the hardware, ensuring data sovereignty, promoting open standard, and enabling shared services. And it also provides the platforms which is managed by the NIC, offer LAS, PAS, and SAS. So these are the three major platform launched by the under cloud policy, and hosting application like e-offices, e-hospital, DigiLocker, and the National Scholarship Portal. So why cloud policy or Megharaja is so important? Because it has major significance in the digital India and e-governance, such as it supports the digital India by enabling paperless and presence-less government, by improving efficiency and reducing the cost. So it is also the Megharaj is India first national cloud initiative, ensuring the government data remain within the country. So that make it more important. So now the ninth policy, which is National Cyber Security Policy in 2013. Its objective to secure cyberspace, protect critical infrastructure, and build resilience. So, as per the name, National Cyber Security Policy, its significance to ensure the trust of the digital services and provide the cybersecurity as integral to the government e-governance e-governance adaptation. Now we also discuss the 10th policy regarding the e-governance, which is RTI, Right to Information Online Portal 2013 and onward. RTI initially launched in the 2005, which is paper-based services, but it is upgraded in 2013 through online platforms, and its objective to enable citizens to file RTI request online and strengthen the transparency and accountability. Its example are RTI online portal used widely for the central ministry. That's all for we have discussed the models and major policy regarding the e-governance. Now will be quick recap of the policy through the question answer session. So the first question is, which is the following is not a model of the e-governance? We already discussed the four model. So let's identify which is not the government model. Is option R, government to citizen, and second option government to businesses, third option government to employee, and fourth government to media. So its answer is obviously the fourth one, because we not learn any or hear any government policy which is government to media. We have above three models, and another is G to G, which is government to government model, fourth one. Now the second question, the National E-Governance Plan NEGP was launched in which year? So it is the basically the foundation of the e-governance through the digital platform. So when it is launched, it is also we discuss in the starting of the, it is in 2006, and e-Kranti, which is NEGP 2.0, launched in 2013. Now the third question, Megharaja 2014 refer to which of the following? So which services is provided by the under the Megharaja policy, which is also G Cloud? Options are National Cyber Security Policy, option B Government Cloud Policy, option C Open Source Software Policy, and option D Digital Literacy Program. So its right answer is the Government Cloud Policy, because I have also added the two question, so you can also assess your knowledge what you have learned. So question is, which initiative under the Digital India provides the paperless documentation and a secure digital storage? So these are the four options: Umang app, DigiLocker, BharatNet, e-hospital, and the fifth, the principle of the transformation and not translation is associated with the which policy? Its option are NEGP 2006, e-Kranti 2015, and the Cybersecurity Policy 2013, and RTI Act. You can answer this question in the comment section. I will be wait for your answer. That's all for today. Thank you for watching till the end. In the next session, we also further other topics regarding the e-governance. See you soon.